Ooh, okay, do you need a rotary tool? This thing from Hardell is so awesome. It is like a little handheld cordless rotary tool. Comes with all of the accessories in this teeny tiny little box. Honestly, check this out. There's so many heads for this thing. So many different things. There's lots of different sanding sizes, just lots of things that honestly I'm not even really sure what you use them for, to be honest. Polishing, sanding, grinding, all of those things. So awesome. It does come in a little carry case as well with your USB-C cable, so it just charges up regular USB-C, which is awesome. I love that it's cute and orange. It has the battery light on the bottom here, so you're going to be able to tell when you need to charge it up, and simply just turn it on. Check this out. Perfect for polishing, grinding. Like I said, maybe you do woodwork as a hobby, maybe you polish jewelry or something like that, then this would be the perfect little rotary tool for you. Honestly, so cute, so compact, but still yet functional. So highly recommend it. Go check it out.